Hack Monday, and we are in the bathroom because we are going to make, what are we making, Samuel?
Soap.
Soap. And so it's one of our favorite things to make, and it's very simple. This is what it'll look like. So what I would tell you to do is get a foam hand soap bottle, and then you're gonna need water, Castile or Castile soap, and Thieves, okay? So Samuel, put in your water. He's gonna put 2/3 cup of water into this bowl. Then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of the soap. And the favorite oil to always add is Thieves. Okay, so you add about 10 drops of Thieves. So this is the big component, because if you don't know what Thieves does, Google it, PubMed it. Then I always add a little bit of vitamin E oil into it, a good squirt, because it makes your hands super soft. Then you're gonna mix it up. Now something fun that you can do is you can add other smells to this soap, such as lemon myrtle. This is one of my favorite ones to add to one in the kitchen. And then right now we've been diffusing Northern Lights Black Spruce and Thieves, and it smells great. So I thought, hey, you could do that as a hand soap too. So let's add some lemon myrtle, because we're gonna put this one in our kitchen. All right, so we're mixing it up, and then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it back in here, so that way I can hopefully not spill it as much when I pour it into this bottle here. So then all that you're gonna do is, here, I'm gonna pour it into here. And you always wanna make sure that you leave a little bit of space in your bottle for when you put your foam pump in. And this recipe is pretty good about making almost a full bottle. So then your foam pump goes like this. And then you kind of shake it around, and then it's ready to be used. So you just pump it and you can wash your hands. And that is our mom hack for today. I hope you just saw how quick and easy it is. Now, if you're not big on making this yourself, you can always buy Thieves soap. This is a standard in our house, but when I run out and forgot to order some the month before, or my kids decided they were gonna use the whole bottle of soap on the counter, I can quickly make a batch. All right, bye.